Here at Professional Business Associates, we are now going to use OneDrive Calendar. I am going to go over a few of the basics, kind of show you how to use this calendar, and let's get started. So as of now, right, I am showing you the month view. You can change the view several ways. You can go in here and change different months. If you don't want to see the month view, you can go ahead and change the day view, which will show more than one day if you want it to. School week, or as it is now, the month. And if you would like to add calendars, you can go in here, click Add Calendar. It gives you the option to create a blank calendar. You can subscribe to calendars and even upload current calendars. Other options is to add in the holidays in any of these. So at this point, I've already had calendars added. In my calendars, I've added a boss calendar. So I am going to, at this point, show my calendar by selecting it. And I would like to show birthdays, which are the birthdays set up in my contacts, and as well as US holidays. You can see here, St. Patrick's Day showed up for holidays, and if I no longer want that, I can deselect it and hide that. As well as over here on the 20th, a birthday showed up, and if I want it strictly business, no birthday, show or hide here. Now, I've already added in examples that we're going to have in our agenda already, which is the first appointment, 9 a.m. So you can hover over it and kind of see the general summary. You can click on it and it opens up more information, as well as the option to edit or delete. So if I edit, changing the times would be an option, changing the date, location, reminders. You have more options down here. So I have not done anything. I'll just go ahead and save it. And as an example, I'm going to show how to add. I can either go to New Event and open that. I can also go to the day and click up towards the top of the date, and I can go ahead and add. In doing that, I can choose my calendar. I'm going to go ahead and add in a lunch date. So a lunch appointment with Mr. Hansen. And we have that coming up on Friday. Make sure that's selected. And he wanted to do lunch around noon. We're going to carve out an hour of time for that lunch. And at this point, the location's to be determined, and if I wanted to add details, I could. So I'm just going to save lunch with Mr. Hansen to give a little more detail and save. So that popped up on Friday. And because that is not a normal appointment in the calendar, to make it stand out a little more, I can right click. I can either make edits. I can change the charm, which is why you see the fork and knife now. I can show it as all of those different statuses, and I can also categorize it by changing the color. So I want this to stand out because it is a lunch meeting. And now let's see what it looks like for the week view. Opening up the week view, it's a little bit easier to see per hour and go through, see what's going on through the days. Going back to the month view, there's also a way to see the agenda of each day. So tomorrow it goes through, lets me know what's coming up next, the breakdown. I can open it, view it, edit, delete. Also, if Mr. Hanson calls and reschedules, it's as easy as dragging the current information to the new schedule. So from now on, this is how we are going to do our scheduling, and it will keep everyone organized, everyone on track. We can go ahead and share with each other which calendar we want to share. Go ahead and send it via email and give them the permissions, whether it's to make changes or view, so that everybody can have the same information up to date at all times. So that is about all. Thank you. Have a good day.